How to scan QR code on PC without camera. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to scan a QR code on your computer or laptop. So if you have got a QR code and need to scan it, you are in the right place. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first open the Microsoft Store and hit enter. Now in the search bar, type QR code scanner and simply look for the app that appears. Now click on it and press download. Now you just have to wait for some time, and once the installation is complete, simply launch the app and click on scan QR code. And if your computer has a camera, simply hold the QR code in front of it to scan. Or if your computer doesn't have a camera, well, don't worry. You can still scan the QR code by using a saved image. So to do that, simply click on open QR image and take a screenshot of a QR code and save it. And once the QR code has been saved, simply open the screenshot images of that QR code through the app, and once it's open, the scanner will instantly read the QR code, and here as you can see, the QR code reveals the URL. And that's it. That's how you can scan QR code on PC without camera. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.